Everyone, today I have a sample source unboxing to share with you, and I will leave the link below, but these are completely free samples. You just go in on their website and sign up, and I believe they come out twice a year, spring and fall. So this would be the spring one. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. This looks like that. The first sample in there is a plant-based Vega 1 all-in-one shake natural flavored drink mix, and it's gluten-free with no sugar added. Looks like there's lots of protein in this. I've never tried this brand. The next sample is from Refresh, and it's Pro B Feminine Probiotic Supplement. It says supports vaginal tract health by balancing yeast and bacteria. And it's 28 caplets. And the serving size is 1, so this is 28-day supply. That's really cool. But that's pretty much a full-size sample that they threw in there. They must be little pills, which is good. These are probiotics. So, yeah, nice. The next sample, I don't even know where to start. Wow, this is a coupon for a free bar of Love Good Fats. And it says any flavor of your choice. So, looks like there's some good flavors to choose from. Peanut butter chocolatey, mint chocolate chip, rich chocolate almond. A couple more. So I'll have to check that out. Oh my goodness. What is this? I can smell it from the packaging. That's awesome. Wortman Bakery. Oh, I actually like this brand. These are sugar-free breakfast biscuits in oatmeal blueberry, baked with real blueberries, and there's 2 of them in there. That smells good. Breakfast biscuits, so I'll have to maybe try those tomorrow with my coffee. Oh, there's actually one of those bars in there. It's a Good Fats. Are these protein bars? Or just a snack bar? It says there's 9 grams of protein in it. Oh yeah, it's a snack bar. And this is in peanut butter chocolatey. So there's one right there that I get to just try. And then there's something in there from Refresh again. Replens lubricant, silky smooth, personal lubricant. There's a few more things in there. When I take these out. Something from Hungry Jack. Open for your free hash brown potatoes. This looks like this is a coupon. For anyone Hungry Jack hash browns product, free up to $3. So get to try that. Something for the Little Potato Company. Free trial, redeem this coupon for 1 free microwave ready or oven grill ready kit, all varieties and flavors. Maximum value $7.99. Wow, I haven't heard of this brand either. So I'm excited to try that. I just hope I'll just have to look up where they sell this. So if you've tried it, let me know where you got it. Yeah, but can't wait to try that either. This actually goes with a product inside the box. This is Nature Box, and it's a body wash in coconut oil with 100% cold pressed oil. smells nice. You can smell the coconut. That is really nice. I love anything coconut. Awesome. Never heard of this brand either, which is great. I mean, I'm getting to try a lot of things that I've never tried before or heard of. And there's a coupon for it. Save $2 on one full-size Nature box body wash lotion, body butter, shampoo, conditioner, or hair treatment. And I think there is one more thing in here. And this is from Bona. It's a hardwood floor cleaner. Good size sample there. And I have tried this brand and this product, and it works pretty good. I like it. So that is everything in my sample source box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe for more videos. And I will see you on my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everyone.